Here's how our day 2 shaped up. We started off from Reykjavik and hit the ring road to cover the south coast. First stop, Seljalandsfoss. There's also a hidden gem, which we will get to later. Then we drove further east to Vik and Reynisfjara Beach. On the way back, we stopped at Skogafoss and drove back to Reykjavik for the night. First up, Seljalandsfoss, 60 meters high and one of the few waterfalls that you can walk behind. Here's the hidden gem. Tucked inside a hidden canyon. Waterfalls. Just 100 meters from Seljalandsfoss. We started our drive further east towards Vik and I dozed off. When I woke up, this stunning view greeted me just before reaching Vik. Next up, Reykjavik. But before that, we had to grab our lunch, the only place in Iceland that serves black crust pizza. The crust gets its black color from activated charcoal made with Icelandic birchwood. Till we wait. With bellies full, we made our way up to one of Vik's most iconic landmarks, the red-roofed Vik Church or Reyniskirkja, watching over the town with Reynisfjara Beach stretching behind it. This church is said to be the safest place in town during a volcanic eruption, and the whole village can fit inside. Our next stop came with serious warnings. Sneaker waves here have pulled in over 20 people in the last decade. The black sand makes the shoreline look safe, but don't be fooled. Reynisfjara, Iceland's most famous black sand beach. It looks otherworldly, but it's also built on legends. These lava columns, folklore says they were trolls turned to stone at sunrise. And this cave? You might recognize it from Game of Thrones. It was Eastwatch by the sea in season 7. But all of this coastline was shaped by Katla, one of Iceland's most powerful volcanoes. Legend says she's a witch sleeping under the glacier, waiting to erupt. Reynisfjara is more than a beach. It's a meeting point of rural geology, ancient legend, and modern storytelling. Would you come here for the legends or scenery? Last stop, Skogafoss, 60 meters tall, 25 wide, and in local legend, hiding a Viking treasure chest behind its falls. There is stairs that takes you all the way to the top of the falls. What's less known is its role in Icelandic folklore. It's said the spray here creates portals where elves and hidden people pass between worlds. From here, the road back to Reykjavik becomes its own adventure, shifting skies, tiny churches by the roadside, and long stretches that make you forget where you're going. From walking behind waterfalls, to hearing the legends of Katla, to standing on Iceland's most dramatic black sand beach, this was the South Coast. Watch out for day 3, it only gets wilder on Traveler Monologue.